Meta's plan to offer free commercial AI models is a strategic move that could put pressure on its competitors, Google and OpenAI. Meta is hoping to commoditize AI by making it more accessible to developers, which could make it more difficult for Google and OpenAI to maintain their competitive advantage. Text-to-speech is the process of synthetically generating spoken words from some given text. It has always been a hard problem given the inauthentic nature of most generated speech. Meta, in their recent push for open-source AI, has released VoiceBox, the current state-of-the-art model for generating speech. Examples are available in the article. Reinforcement learning is notoriously tricky to scale, meaning that when you increase the model size or increase the number of episodes, things start to break down. However, in other AI disciplines, scaling brings sufficient performance to make that challenge worth overcoming. In this study, by using a number of clever design tricks, the authors were able to scale their value-based RL system to achieve superhuman-level performance on Atari 100K. SEAL is a new system that uses advanced visual recognition models to better interpret various types of vehicle sensor data, making it more efficient and adaptable. In tests, it improved interpretation of sensor data by nearly 37% compared to standard methods, showing significant potential for improving future car safety and navigation systems. The article discusses several techniques to speed up the training and inference of large language models, LLMs, to use a large context window of up to 100K input tokens. These techniques include alibi positional embedding, sparse attention, flash attention, multi-query attention, conditional computation, and using 80 GB A100 GPS. OpenAI's GPT-4 language model can now use external tools to complete tasks, such as checking the weather, getting a stock price, or looking up data in a company's database. This is a significant improvement over previous versions of GPT, which were limited in what they could do by the information they were trained on. GPT-Engineer generates entire codebases based on prompts. The Chinese behemoth has purchased around 100K GPUs from NVIDIA to use for different AI projects. These orders were placed before the regulatory blockage of GPU exports. Add one more to the list of companies bolstering their AI efforts with compute. The original Llama model from Meta made a splash these past months. It is unfortunately unavailable for commercial use. This project attempts to use the Red Pajama 1T dataset to reproduce the Llama and NBSP models. They present evaluations which show the Open Llama models to be similarly performant to their original counterparts, at least for the 3B, 7B, and 13B models. NVIDIA A100s are one of the most powerful GPUs on the market. They have been used to train some of the most popular models to date. They are data center GPUs, which typically means you cannot run them on your own hardware. This post explores how you can hack together your own A100 supercomputer that runs locally for just a few $1,000s. This study investigates whether powerful LLMs can teach less advanced AI systems and improve their performance. The study proposes a student-teacher relationship between two ICE and explores how, when, and what the teacher AI should explain to the student AI to boost its abilities, while staying within a communication budget. It shows that personalized teaching from the teacher AI can lead to significant improvements in the student AI's performance. Python building blocks to explore large language models on any computer with 512 megabytes of RAM. Training foundation models from scratch is challenging. The Language Model Group at Stanford has released a framework in JAX that makes this process easier. It provides a number of data and model parallelism strategies to simplify the programming process. A number of fun-looking QR codes have recently popped up on the internet. They use a custom version of ControlNet to change the background without changing the actual usefulness of the code. This demo allows you to make your own QR codes by inputting a website and a stable diffusion prompt. Access to a wide range of exceptional prompts for free, designed to enhance your content creation on platforms like Twitter, Midjourney, and beyond.